grow your channel from a video. To make an ordinary video extraordinary, I use Premiere Pro and Camtasia, and this generator. For this, I use HAIULOAI and Dreamina. At the same time, you can learn about the SEO score service for the channel and social media services. I'd like to explain in detail. You can trust that I can edit the video exactly as you want. And create videos with care. You can see that it is possible to generate realistic videos from some simple images. Grow your business and your identity. Finally, thank you and best wishes.